In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add more pages in the new Affinity by Canva. Whether you're building a multi-page presentation, a social carousel, or a document that needs a few extra sections, this is a quick skill that keeps your workflow smooth and organized. I'll walk you through what to click, why it matters, and what to expect, so you feel confident every time you add another page. First, make sure you're working on the page you want to build from by clicking the artboard. In Affinity by Canva, each page is essentially an artboard, so selecting it tells the app exactly where the next page should be placed. You'll know the artboard is selected when you see a clear outline and resize handles around it, and the canvas becomes the active area for your next action. If you're switching between different pages in your design, a quick click directly on the one you want is the best way to confirm you're targeting the right spot. With your current artboard selected, look for the plus icon on the page and click it to add a new page. This is the fastest, most reliable way to grow your document without diving into menus or interrupting your creative flow. The moment you click, Affinity by Canva generates a fresh page that mirrors the size and orientation of your current artboard. That means your new page will match your existing layout settings, helping you keep consistent margins, spacing, and visual rhythm across the project. You should see the new page appear right next to the one you selected, typically to the right or just below, depending on your workspace and layout. If nothing seems to happen, it usually means the original artboard wasn't selected, so click the artboard again to re-establish focus. Then try the plus icon once more. If you're working at a very close zoom level, the plus icon might feel tucked near the edge of the page. Zooming out slightly or panning can make it easier to spot, but the action is always the same. Click the plus to add. From here, you can keep building your document at your own pace. Each time you click the plus on a selected page, you'll get another matching page ready for content. This consistent behavior is especially handy for sequences like step-by-step slides, case studies, or branded templates where uniformity matters. That's all there is to it. Click the artboard to choose your starting point, then click the plus icon on the page to add a new page instantly. Simple, predictable, and perfect for scaling your design without breaking your momentum.